There's a shift happening in the real estate market right now, and if you've been thinking about buying or selling, this might be the window you've been waiting for. For those who don't know, my name's Jasmine and I'm a local realtor here in the Valley. In today's update, I'm going to walk you through what's happening, what it means for you, and why we need to take a closer look at the luxury market right now. And stick around for the end. I have some quick life updates that I'm really excited to share with you guys. Let's start with what we're seeing across the greater Phoenix market right now. Inventory has been steadily rising, which means buyers have a little more breathing room than they did at this time last year. But we're not in a buyer's market just yet, especially in the more desirable neighborhoods. Interest rates are still fluctuating, but buyers have accepted the new norm and they're adjusting their budgets accordingly. Key takeaway, if you're waiting on the perfect rate, you might just miss the perfect home. Home prices have remained relatively stable, though we have seen some modest appreciation in areas like Arcadia, North Scottsdale, and Desert Ridge. So, why is now a smart time to make a move? For buyers, the market isn't as competitive as it was during the peak frenzy, which means you have room to negotiate on things like price, repairs, or even a rate buy down. Builders are offering incentives again, and sellers are getting a little more realistic. For sellers, the equity you've built is real. In many parts of the valley, well-presented homes are still getting strong offers, especially in the 500,000 to 1 million range. If you're planning to downsize, relocate, or trade up, this could be your moment to leverage your gains before we head into a potential quarter 4 cool down. Now, let's talk luxury for a second. Homes over 2 million are still moving, but with more intention. Buyers at this level are often cash ready and value driven. They're looking for properties that are finished, well located, and priced to match current demand. That said, we've seen some impressive closings in places like Silverleaf and Paradise Valley, which shows that the appetite is still there for the right home. Now, on a personal note, I've had some pretty big changes in my life recently that I'm excited to share with you. First, I moved to Phoenix to be closer to my family, which has been such a grounding and refreshing shift, personally and professionally. Being closer to the people I love while also planting roots in a city that I work in every day has just brought everything full circle. Second, I've joined Engel Völkers as an advisor, which is an incredible opportunity. Their global network and their commitment to high-level service fits perfectly with how I serve my clients, especially in the luxury space. And lastly, but not so new, I've started trading in the futures market. It's been challenging, to say the least, but it's been an exciting way to sharpen my understanding of broader financial trends, which honestly gives me even more insight when advising buyers and sellers on timing, price strategy, in the bigger economic picture. All this to say, this season has reminded me that your next move, real estate or otherwise, should support the life you're building. If you're thinking about making a change, I'd love to help you think it through. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and send me a message if you'd like a full July market breakdown or just want to connect. And please leave a comment if this was helpful to you at all. If you liked it, if you didn't, let me know. And thanks for watching. Bye.